Alright, Carson, hurry, write this down. Looking at a possible C2 fracture and keep the patient in the C collar.
Alright.
Yeah, on arrival, Carson. Write that down on arrival,
Guys,
Carson.
please slow
Carson,
down.
write down those EMS upon arrival. They brought in the C collar. Make sure you write that down with you. Carson, make sure you get that. Carson, you write that down, write that down. Carson, probably gonna miss from multi fracture. Make sure you write that down. Make sure you wrote them.
Oh, is it L3?
Write that down. Just make sure you write that down. L3, L4, check for the ones possible. Carson, write that down.
Did we get a wait?
Hold on.
I'm just doing my job.
Carson, what time did they come in? What are they doing? What time?
2.
I don't know. Carson, you gotta stay awake. I gotta stay alive. Tell me what we gotta do. Tell me what we need. Tell me what we need.
Just got mad at me for talking, and then I'm confused.
The patient came in with this.
I don't need that. I don't
Take
want
that,
that.
Carson.
I don't need that. I need a temperature.
Carson, what time did we...
Just stop talking.
Hey guys, good job in there. I think it went really smooth this time.